Well, it was a great atmosphere, and we were really excited to play at home again. I was really proud of the grit and determination that we showed. I thought that Princeton was very good. We knew they'd be very athletic and very physical, and they just closed us quickly, and we couldn't get a rhythm with our passing. So we had to play a different kind of game. We got some big contributions from some players that haven't played a lot this year. Kate Smith did a terrific job. Shannon Colligan really was a game changer, holding the ball at the top of the team, distributing. Emily was terrific in goal. She's had 5 or 6 really good games in a row, and of course Reef is just knows where the goal is. I have felt, and I've said, that she's capable of breaking out and scoring bunches of goals. She's been around the goal. She's always dangerous. She's a really good 1v1 player, and she's gotten some goals, but she hasn't really broken loose. And tonight was a break loose night. I think you're going to see more of that from her. But we have a lot of different players that can score goals.
I mean, the first one, I honestly don't even remember the first one. I think I just used my speed and just got to it, and I got lucky. So my teammates were playing me great balls, so it definitely helped. Yeah, I think starting with the win this weekend is definitely awesome. I think, by winning this game, it's just going to get us pumped up for Sunday. Hopefully we'll come away this weekend with 2 wins.
I really just wanted to be focused. I feel like every home game, every game is important, but every home game is especially important. Being a goalkeeper, you really have to be vocal and in charge in the back. You kind of control the entire 18-yard box, so I really do my best to kind of take control back there.
Well, Old Dominion is off to a slow start, but they're building up for conference, and they're another team that is going to really compete hard. We don't know a lot about them. We've really been focusing on getting ready for Princeton, but we have to do the 48-hour turnaround, and ODU's home resting tonight, so that's an extra challenge, and it's just a season of challenges. And I love the way these players on our team have approached challenges and faced them, and we've had some disappointments, but we've bounced right back from them. Tonight, after giving the equalizer, we came right back and scored a goal, and that's a mark of a mentally tough team.